Welcome to the Intro to Contact Center Leadership Recap. In the Contact Center Management modules, we talked about planning, taking time to learn your new role, the organization, and the team that you're leading. We talked about creating goals, SMART goals, and short-term goals. We talked about organizing or learning about the organization, understanding the organizational structure, the mission, vision, and value statements, and organizational tools. We talked about leading with employee engagement, understanding conflict management, and tips for corrective action. We also talked about the necessity of controlling, keys to successful controlling, barriers to controlling, and how productivity plays in. In the leadership communication module, we talked about emotional intelligence, both personal competence and social competence. We talked about small group communication, the 4 main functions of communication in groups, and the 3 types of speech. We talked about intercultural communication by reviewing the diversity iceberg, talking about layers of culture, and discussing individualism versus collectivism, high versus low context culture. And we discussed listening skills, the levels of listening, barriers to listening, and improving listening. We talked about delivering feedback in one-on-one feedback sessions and managing up by leading your leader. In the mindfulness and intention module, we talked about what exactly was mindfulness and how to practice mindfulness. We talked about positive affirmations and tips to using affirmations, simple affirmations you can start with. We talked about journaling, the benefits of journaling and types of journaling. And we discussed leading with intention, positive mindset, and assuming positive intent. I hope that this training has left you feeling more prepared than when you arrived. This is such an amazing opportunity for you to learn and to teach others. Remember to stay a student always. Never stop learning. I'm proud of you. Best wishes and good luck.